Good landing. Yeah, they got in there at car wash. We didn't have that luxury there. I think your airport are having trouble getting communication. As soon as that hail rain, your video started going in and out.
Yeah, can you hear us? Yeah. Can you hear us? Sorry that we were on mute. The hail's getting bigger here. Wow. Right now the biggest we see, let's see.
Nickel, maybe quarter.
Nickel to quarter. But a lot of it. The winds are probably blowing about 50 miles an hour, 50 to 60 so far. Oh wow, this tree is getting shredded in front of us.
Really the biggest I've seen in nickel cells. Maybe a couple cores, and most are down to nickel cells.
Right there.
Yeah, it's collecting. Unfortunately, it's you know, the largest we saw were maybe a couple of quarters, mostly dimes and nickels, but a lot of it.
How do you think we'll win? Do you think we'll win? Yeah.
You know, we're pretty sheltered here, but probably only about 60 mile an hour winds. Maybe the tower's still on, which is pretty amazing.
I think the strongest winds are when we're coming in there with the edge.